Okay, good morning, people. Here we are at Tassahatchee, and guess what they're doing today? Another prescribed burn. Of all the luck. Pretty much burning down all of Central Florida here. It's going to be a scorcher today. Mr. Turtle there almost got it. It is 9:53 on a Friday morning. It's 85 degrees already. We're just going to take a little leisurely drive today. Avoid roads like that. This should be one of the last burns of the season, because as we heard last time, the pine trees are starting to produce a lot of sap and they won't be able to recover for winter. We haven't got a rain in a couple of days and the roads dry out very fast. Got that little slippery feeling on top. Couple things down here I want to check out. I think there's a youth camp and an actual campground. And this road's a little soft. Yeah, youth camp here. And I happened to notice when we were up there, the power line road is still closed. It's the easy route to the St. Johns River. And we've already discovered quite a bit of sand here. And for those of you that might just be tuning in, I'm not a big fan of sand. And Florida sugar sand, not very fun. But it is very plentiful. But let's keep plugging away. Well, we don't see any creatures yet. Land, air, or sea. Never been down here before. Must be the hiking trail area. Part of the Florida Trail cuts through here also. Okay, bit of a wet area. Spot's always notoriously wet. Yeah, we got a lot of water out here. I guess you kind of want to stay on the high side of the road. A lot of water over there. That's pretty. Kind of scared me. Okay, trying to figure this out. It's either sandy or liquefied sand. Either way, it's both pretty soft, so you just want to be a little careful. This part of the road here is pretty good. Here we are at Lake Charlie. Let's go take a walk over there, see what we got. It's a very peaceful morning. It's not super hot out yet. A lot of birds on the island over there. Let's take a little closer look. I know there's some eagles out here. There's some alligators out here. I see one's head right out there. Yeah, last time I was here I saw an eagle flying across. That was a pretty sight. Today we're only going to see birds and a couple alligators. And here's the burn. We missed it. We're going to avoid it. Actually, we need to find some gas. And always remember, sign in, sign out.